Here is a clear, detailed explaining Article 355 of the Indian Constitution. Article 355 of the Indian Constitution. Article 355 is an important provision under Part 18 Emergency Provisions of the Indian Constitution. It outlines the responsibility of the Union government towards the states, especially in situations involving threats to peace, security, or constitutional governance. This article acts as a guiding principle for the Union's role in maintaining the unity, integrity, and stability of the nation. 1. Purpose and scope of Article 355. Article 355 imposes a constitutional duty on the Union to protect every state in India from two major threats. 1. External aggression. 2. Internal disturbance. In addition, it states that the Union must ensure that the government of every state is carried out in accordance with the Constitution. Thus, Article 355 highlights the Union's role as a guardian of the states and the constitutional framework. 2. Protection against external aggression. External aggression refers to any attack or threat from a foreign nation or external forces. Under Article 355, the Union has the responsibility to safeguard the territorial integrity of each state, deploy armed forces or take other necessary measures when an external threat arises, ensure that states are not left alone to deal with international hostilities. This reinforces the idea that defense and foreign affairs are central responsibilities of the Union, and states are protected under a unified national security system. 3. Protection against internal disturbance. Internal disturbance relates to serious disruptions within a state that threaten peace, public order, or the functioning of the government. This can include communal violence, large-scale riots, insurgency, breakdown of law and order. Article 355 authorized the Union to step in and help restore order. This may involve sending central forces, providing administrative support, or guiding the state government. 4. Ensuring constitutional governance in states. A key aspect of Article 355 is the duty of the Union to ensure that every state government functions according to the Constitution. This means the state must follow democratic principles. Constitutional provisions must be respected. Law and order must be maintained. The elected government should not act in violation of constitutional norms. If the state machinery appears to be failing, Article 355 is invoked as a preliminary step before stronger actions, such as Article 356, Precedence Rule. 5. Relation with Article 356, Precedence Rule. Article 355 is often seen as the basis for imposing precedence rule. While Article 355 only gives the Union the responsibility, Article 356 provides the power to act if the state government cannot function. In short, Article 355 gives the duty. Article 356 gives the remedy. Thus, Article 355 acts as a protective and supervisory mechanism. 6. Significance of Article 355. Article 355 holds great importance in India's federal structure. It strengthens national security. It maintains unity between the Union and states. It provides a constitutional basis for Union assistance during crisis. It ensures that governance in every state stays within constitutional limits. At the same time, the article must be used with caution to avoid excessive central interference in state autonomy. Conclusion. Article 355 serves as a crucial constitutional safeguard that ensures the smooth functioning of India's federal system. By imposing the duty on the Union to protect states from external and internal threats and ensure constitutional governance, it acts as a stabilizing force. It balances the autonomy of the states with the overarching need for national integrity and constitutional order, making it an essential pillar of India's emergency provisions. The Constitution of India. Part 18. Emergency Provisions. Article 355. Duty of the Union to protect states against external aggression and internal disturbance. It shall be the duty of the Union to protect every state against external aggression and internal disturbance and to ensure that the government of every state is carried on in accordance with the provisions of this Constitution.